garlic is universally recognized for its health-promoting benefits, aiding the circulatory and digestive system, boosting the immune system, lowering blood pressures, and fighting heart disease. It even helps to eliminate toxins. While it makes for an intrinsic part of our cooking preparations, raw garlic taken especially as the first thing in the morning can bring about a wave of health benefits. Yes, it may not be the best of ideas for your brain, but the many health benefits of the practice would surely compel you to chug in small chunk each morning. Today's video will discuss why you should start your day with raw garlic and water. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Here are a few reasons why you should have garlic on an empty stomach. Number 1. Stronger lipid profile. Raw garlic in the morning on an empty stomach may be very beneficial for your lipid profile. It's natural blood thinner which helps stabilize high blood pressures and cholesterol levels. Garlic is a powerful antibiotic that will help various lung diseases and strengthen the gut for better absorption of nutrients from the food. Number 2. Powerful natural antibiotic. Raw garlic is one of the most effective natural antibiotics. The power rises significantly if garlic is consumed raw on an empty stomach. Having a piece of raw garlic exposes the bacteria to the tough-filling properties of garlic, which helps prevent the bacteria actions in the gut. Garlic contains abundant antibiotic and antifungal sulfur compounds, including allicin, allicin, and allicin. The antibiotic component and its volatile all helps treat cold and cough. Number 3. Digestion and weight loss benefits. Eating raw garlic first thing in the morning stimulates digestion and appetite. Smoother digestion, amongst other things, also aid effective weight loss. Eating raw garlic is also effective for tummy problems like diarrhea. Number 4. Hypertension. The sulfur-containing compound allicin jelly gasified could help regulate your blood pressure levels too. Number 5. Detox. The sulfhydryl compounds in the garlic helps remove toxins substance from the body. Therefore, if you have had a heavy dinner last night, it is always a good idea to start the next day on a detox mode. Eating raw garlic. Raw garlic has a significantly better nutritive profile than cooked, which is why raw garlic is often one of the most common topping and ingredients for salad and veggies. Here is how you can start your day with garlic. Make sure the garlic is fresh. This is because the allicin compound degrade dramatically if the garlic is made to sit out for too long. Number 2. Carefully peel the skin off of one part of the clove and keep the rest half of the clove in the refrigerator. Number 3. Cut a small chunks of the part you peeled. Eating too much garlic on an empty stomach can prove to be rather shocking for your system and make you sick. Number 4. Swallow the garlic with a full glass of water. Since garlic has its own pungent flavor, chewing into it may get a bit too much for some. It is advisable to swallow a small chunk with water. Starting a day with lukewarm water can kickstart metabolism too. Have you ever known the benefits of garlic? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.